Albert is designed to protect your financial account, so signing in on multiple devices can sometimes trigger security checks, unexpected logouts, or sensing problems instead of letting both devices work normally. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix device conflicts, and when the issue requires help from Albert support. Start by deciding which device you want to use as your primary device. If you've recently switched phones, signed in on a tablet, or restored a backup, Albert may need time to recognize the new device. Next, sign out of Albert on every device where you're currently logged in. After that, restart each device and sign back in on your primary phone first. This creates a fresh login session and often resolves account syncing issues. If one device keeps logging you out after another device signs in, check that both devices are running the latest version of the Albert app. Different app versions can sometimes create compatibility problems during authentication. You should also update your phone's operating system if an update is available. Newer versions of the Albert app may rely on system security features that aren't fully supported on older software. Another thing to check is your internet connection. Complete the login process using a stable Wi-Fi network or a reliable mobile data connection. Interrupted connections during authentication can leave your account session incomplete. If you're using Android, clear the Albert app cache from your device settings before signing in again. If the problem continues, clear the app data, then log in again with your account credentials. If you're using an iPhone, delete the Albert app, restart your phone, and reinstall the latest version from the App Store before attempting another login. Avoid repeatedly switching between devices within a short period. Frequent login attempts from different devices can trigger additional security reviews designed to protect your account. If you're using a VPN, proxy service, or privacy-focused network tool, temporarily disable it while signing in. Security systems sometimes treat changing network locations as unusual account activity. If the conflict still doesn't disappear, contact Albert support. Tell them you're experiencing a device conflict. Mention the devices you're using, include their operating system versions, and explain whether you're being logged out, unable to sign in, or seeing a security message. That information helps them investigate your account more quickly. To recap, sign out on every device, choose one primary device, update both the app and your operating system, use a stable internet connection, clear cached app data, or reinstall the app, and contact Albert support if the account still won't sync correctly. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Albert troubleshooting guides, and check out our other app fix tutorials.